In this video, I will show you how to unlock the keyboard on a laptop and PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So maybe for whatever reason, your laptop keyboard or PC keyboard is not working when you're trying to type, or maybe you've pressed something and now your keyboard is no longer working. Whatever the reason, there is a setting you can change which should hopefully resolve this problem. So what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and from here you want to click to open up your settings. You should see it in your pinned apps at the section at the top here, but if not, if you come down to all just down here, you should find your settings there. Give it a click and that's going to open up your settings. From here, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, and on this menu you want to click onto accessibility, and in the accessibility section what you want to do is scroll down on here until you get to the interaction section, and you're going to see an option for keyboard. Give that a click. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now generally the reason this happens is because filter keys has been turned on, so you can see there's an option here called filter keys. And if you actually go ahead and just turn this option off, like so, you should now be able to type and use your keyboard. So I'm going to turn this back on, and what I'm doing, I'm typing at the moment, but nothing's actually being typed. But as soon as I turn this off and start typing, my keyboard is now unlocked and is working absolutely fine. So that is how to unlock keyboard on a laptop and PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.